Welcome back, guys. And in WhatsApp, if you want to delete your WhatsApp account permanently due to any reason, you want to delete it. So what you do at that time, I'm going to tell in this video. If you are knowing, that is very good. If you are not knowing, this video is for you. And if you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So in that case, just go to the WhatsApp and then tap on three dots, go to the setting, go to the account, and here delete my account is there. Just tap it on. Now deleting your account will be delete your account from WhatsApp, erase your message history, delete you from all of your WhatsApp groups, delete your Google Drive backup, delete your payment info. Means it will delete each and everything which is stored in WhatsApp. So be careful why you want to delete, and if you want to delete, then do this. One more interesting option is change number. Means if you want to use any other number, just type it here and an OTP will come and you can change your number in WhatsApp, but you can keep on using that WhatsApp. But if you want to delete it, just delete my account, tap it here, and all the data will be erased and no way to retrieve data if you have deleted WhatsApp account once. So be careful before that. If you really want to delete, once again I will repeat, just tap on three dots, go to the settings, go to the accounts and delete my account. Then delete my account. From here you can delete this WhatsApp account. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.